Hi from Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan, from the Advanced Scrum workshop with Steve and David, and I want to say thank you guys for this really interesting and full of fun, full of adventures workshop. That it's mindset, it's mind-blowing. So thank you. Waiting for our third day. It's already 2 days and my mind is full of information. Thank you for this, guys. And want to say to others, come to this Scrum workshop. You will like it, really like it. So thank you.
So I would like to give a huge shout out to Sven and David for this amazing workshop and amazing experience. And I would definitely recommend you to participate in such a workshop because it's not about just the theory, it's about the feeling and being agile and just adjust all those values and principles and the amazing energy that they give to every single participant out of 100 participants. It was amazing, and the energy breaks and the interaction with every single person was just amazing. So thank you so much for this, and I really recommend to do that. Thank you.